My name is Sasha Stikeleather. I am the Express Lane Advisor here at the Garber CDJR. I have been with the Garber organization here at this location for 10 years now. I build relationships with our customers. I am generally the first point of contact for our customers when it comes to the service department, being that I run the Express Lane. So most of their first visits are here for their oil changes and tire rotations. So it's my job to help them understand their basic maintenance needs because everyone's needs are different. My job here is so important because not everyone understands how to use all this technology in their vehicles. So a lot of the times when they're coming in, for their first oil changes or tire rotations, they have questions on, pairing their phone. Routinely, we have people stop in and say, can you help me set up my navigation? I'm taking a trip and I'm not sure how to use it. So those are very important things that I do on a daily basis, and I absolutely enjoy being able to teach other people how to use their vehicles. The fondest memory I have working for Garber, it was the end of a very busy day, and I had an elderly lady pull in with her Pacifica. It was a handicap vehicle. And she was super scared. She's like, my vehicle's overheating. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. So I, looked inside her vehicle, and on her instrument panel cluster, she had up the reading for the engine temperature. It wasn't overheating. She had accidentally changed her menus. So she thought her vehicle was telling her she was having a problem. So I'm like, no, it's okay. And I put it back to her mileage for me, and she grabbed my hand and she looked at me and she said, I told God he needed to send me some angels to get me through this. And she's like, you are my angel. Thank you so much. Those are the moments that make me appreciate my job. It was nice to be a part of that for her. Before coming to Garber, I did work at another dealership locally. I was there for a combined 20 years. I originally started doing customer follow-up, so I've spent the majority of it in the service realm. I happened to be friends with somebody else who worked for the Garber organization, and she's like, I really think you should come down and talk to our people. I think that you'd be a great fit for our organization.